Welcome to CryptoMalu community. Today I am here with a airdrop plus whitelisting contest for the public sale of the first IDO platform in Polygon network. The token name is Moonedge. We can go to the task page. The first thing is that you need to have a MetaMask wallet in order to participate in the airdrop and the whitelisting contest. And we need to use the Matic mainnet here. I already shown in many videos how to add Matic mainnet to MetaMask wallet. You can use also Math wallet or Token Pocket wallet instead. Go to the settings section, add the network. The RPC required is provided in my Telegram channel. You can copy it from there and paste it in the provider column and add the network. You can see the RPC for Matic network here. Now come back to the page. We can start with the airdrop. First, just copy the link. Come back to MetaMask. Go to the DApp section, browser section. Paste the link you have copied. I already had signed up before, so I am just signing in again. Just enter your mail ID and password. Sign up is also same process. Just connect your wallet with the MetaMask. There is no fee for connection and all. Now you need to register in the whitelist registration form. Click on the register button. The first step is that you need to verify your mail. Click on send verification button. You will receive a mail in a few seconds. Just copy the link or open it in the MetaMask browser section. After getting verified, go back to the section. You need to verify the wallet. Just click on the verify button. Just solve the CAPTCHA. No fee is required for verification and all. You can see the wallet is verified. The next step is that you need to follow the Twitter and Telegram accounts. I already followed it before, so I am just skipping the task and just entering my usernames. Again, I am remembering you that you need to follow the Twitter and Telegram, then only enter your usernames and hit on the submit button. Here is the referral code. If you refer a friend, you will get one more ticket entry. And another promotion event is the retweet event. Click on the share link button. Just open it in the Chrome browser. Just hit a like on the tweet. Select code retweet. You need to retweet with tagging 3 friends. So just retweet it. Click on view button and copy the link of your tweet. Come back to the airdrop page. Hit on submit retweet. Paste the link of the tweet. Hit the submit button. Your tweet will be verified within a few minutes. Now here is the referral link. You can copy it and refer more friends in order to get more entries. For more videos, please keep subscribing our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.